Hey guys, welcome to another Courtney's Kitchen video. Remember to like, share, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when there's a new video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? I'll be putting out content every week, so go ahead and subscribe. In the meantime, here's a barbecue rub for you. But before that, let's cue the intro.
Kitchen, delightful taste from the heart. I know you're watching from near and far. Come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's Kitchen.
Here is everything that we'll be using. I'm gonna give you proportion and you can just do it at home how you want. Here we have 6 tablespoons white sugar, 6 tablespoons brown sugar. The amount of sweetness that you want is all up to you. You can always add more sugar, alright? Next, here we have 4 tablespoons of paprika. You can use small paprika if you want. This is just a plain old paprika. Here we have 6 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons onion powder, 3 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Here we also have 1.5 tablespoon black pepper. You can add more if you want. Also 1 tablespoon hot chili powder. Then we have 3 tablespoons ground pimento. Now that's all that I am using, but you can add white pepper, you can add any other spices you want. This is all about what you want to taste. If you happen to use, like you feel like you have used too much pepper, don't worry, use sugar and that will just balance it out. It will help to tame the heat. Alright, now make sure you just mix this properly. Just make sure everything is well incorporated and you bottle it, and you can have this for as long as you want. You can use it on any meat that you want to use. I did this for my beef, but you can tweak it for your chicken, you can tweak it for whatever else. And this is a barbecue rub. This is a barbecue rub. Sugar is essential for this barbecue rub, so don't be afraid to use some sugar. I've done it to the sweetness of my of my palate, but it's all up to you. This is 10 ingredients. You can add even dry mustard. I mean, if you come up with something that you would like to share with me, go ahead. I would love to hear what you have done and ideas that you have. So until the next video, this is another one from Courtney's Kitchen. I'm out.
This is Courtney's Kitchen, delightful taste from the heart. I know you're watching from near and far. Come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's Kitchen.